Open the image in Photoshop. See, the image is very low quality. To increase its quality, go to Image tab and click Image Size. Set the resolution 300 and width and height 2000 and click OK. Now click on Color and pick colors from image and add it to swatches. I pick yellow and blue color, so I named the swatches as yellow and blue. See, the color swatches are added. Now click Ctrl plus Shift plus U to convert the image to black and white. Now go to Filter tab and click on Convert for Smart Filters option and click OK. In Filter tab, click Blur and click Gaussian Blur. Slowly and gradually increase the blur to the point you cannot see pixelation. Click Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon and click on Curves and adjust the image. Take the rightmost slider to left so that the lighter gray area becomes absolutely white, and then take the leftmost slider to the right that the dark areas becomes absolutely black to make the edges texture. Press and hold Ctrl button and select Layers and Merge Layers. Right-click on Gradient tool and select Paint Bucket tool. Now, choose colors from previously saved colors swatches and fill the image with color. Now, save the image in PNG format.